on. Why is it on? Eat the green noodle. Okay. Okay. So this tastes like tempura. Tempura. Not tempura. Tummy. And it tastes like panis the barbecue. Panis the barbecue. Panis is the barbecue. Panis the barbecue. What happened to your nose? I don't know. It's a rug. Why eating? That's melon playground. Remember what melon? Yes, but my avatar who's like I accidentally deleted. Yes, but I thought the yes was the don't delete. And the no was delete. It's okay. I'm gonna help you make a new one. It's okay. Right? Yeah. What happened to me? Bye. We're not talking. Why are you not talking? Because I have a lollipop gravy. Huh? Actually, it's yummy. Yes? No, you should for a lollipop. It's yummy. Dad, we're gonna send it on TikTok. He forgot to show the lollipop. This is the lollipop. But this is not the real lollipop. This is just gravy. Oh, I wanna eat this lollipop. Which will up batteries from die down to crash or log in.
This one. Hi guys. I feed you lang. Ay, pakain ka muna ng rice. Eat rice muna. Daddy, Shiraya. Ay, sorry. Look,
This sour lemon. It's so sour. Papa, should I say something about my food?
Iniwan lang.
That's not so sour.
Sige, eat muna. Eat muna.
Yes.
I'll give you. Ito muna.
Basta eat mo to ha, kasi carbs to.
That was so... It's not even sour. That was sweet for me. I love lemon. Papa, say something about your
Puro na lang Diyos sa'yo. Puro tayo.
tempura.
Hindi kayo sasama sa labas.
My turn. I'm gonna say something about my food. Something. I'm just kidding. It tastes like panis yung Hey. And I have a small umbrella. Huh? I thought you got it. Time to drink. My straw became an umbrella. Huh?
For you.
Mango, I want mango, please. We're share. We're gonna share.
Unang padaan na. This one. Ito. Gusto mong chicken? Yaw? Oo, umabot. Umabot ka rin. Kuya, meron na pala siya.
Kaka, you didn't even eat yet. You didn't eat. Chicken and rice. Oh no, Kaka. Wait. No. It spilled. No, it didn't spill. It was overflowing.
May isa daw na ano, hindi na pick up sa
Ayun,
bagong account. Ano daw? Hindi mo na ready?
Your cheese is pulling.
Medyo malabo. Ano yan?
I can cheese ball.
Wait, nagbago ulit ako. Medyo malabo eh.
The tomato is so good. Oh, so this is the last one. I can't believe I got this, Kuya Una. What is that? It's a tomato.
Bilang ano eh. Kasi may pumikap na GST. Binigay ko yung isang piraso na dun sa daycare niya. Tapos meron daw isa pa dun sa...
It looks like a flower. Oh, mine? Yeah. It looks like a flower. Look at this.
Ano kaya yun? At ano yung...
This is a tomato. Flamingo! You said this is a tomato. Flamingo. Kaka, flamingo plus tomato is
Pero isang gray, isang...
potato. Flat.
Hindi ko ba nasabi sa'yo?
Flat is a potato. I put it in the gravy. And what is the cheese pool gonna be a gravy pool? Actually, it's yummy. Yeah.
Nasa ko na.
I ate it. Let's eating it.
Isang oras yung
Sabi na.
Very good si Kuya. Look, kumakain mo.
I'm eating mashed potato. Yummy. Huh, Mari? My mom just have live. I have.
Galing ah. Ano? Kuha tayo.
Let's
Wala
stay.
yan.
Hey. I got Ferrari as well.
Kaya, nagugutom
I
na.
got the Ferrari. Ferrari? No, the Ferrari. The chocolate thing.
Baby pa yan. You're eating to. Hala, patingin ako. Hala, tingin. Ay, nag-iit din siya. Iit din.
I am.
Sikal, oh, nag-iit. Ay, ito.
Daddy, what's there? I think that's a chili. Now what is this? Oh, beans? There.
Medyo gravy kaya ito. Gravy.
Yummy. Huh?
Kaya ka dyan.
Fried rice.
It's so yummy. I don't like it. I like it. I don't like it. Oh! Crab!
Kamayan mo, kuya.
Daddy, I
Ang
don't
silver
like
spoon eh.
Hindi na nga yan.
I already have potato, mashed potato, and rice.
Picture, ulit picture ng mata natin ngayon.
Naka-order na si Diana ito sa Pilipinas. Hindi ko lang alam ng lasa.
Lagyan din, stop siya. Ano natin?
Need a juice, please.
Papatingin na rin. Si baby ko makain.
Ano po naman? Masarap.
Dali. Tingnan si baby ko. Pwede makain din si baby. Tawa na ako. Magsasawa pa ako dyan pag umuwi.
What is this? What is that? Yummy. Salmon? Salmon! It has to be salmon, right? Taste it. There's crab. What? The crab. Just don't eat the crab. Oh, okay. It's raining. Oh, I got this chili. Oh, I got this tiny potato. Oh, You need to eat it, please.
Kaya ka, ha? Parang hindi ka ba? Ano yan? Ano yung pagkain? Kaya may spoon and fork mo. Tapos nut-cracker.
Oh! Kaya ito magka.
Hindi kasi ang bata.
Oh! What is this flavor?
Ay, hindi. Hindi ka naiingin. Sorry. You're done. Done na ikaw. Grabe naman yung titighay ko.
Ang mahal ako. I need to eat this. Oh! Wow! Kuya na to.
Yung rice mo, wala pang bawat niya pa. Yung rice mo.
What?
Saan ito pupunta? No. 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 Stop. Hindi pwede. Wala nang play dito na bata. Kumakain sila kuya, oh.
Maubos ang rin.
Kunti lang kinain. Susukay. Hindi mo. Oo. Uwi na lang tayo. Let's go home na lang.
Bye, guys.
Bigyan mo tayo ng plain rice. You want rice lang, boss?
Opo.
O rice lang?
Want rice
White
pa?
rice lang,
Can
white
you,
rice.
my husband, what is this?
Kumain naman siya yung may sabon na gulay.
Hello? Everyone? Hello? What are you doing? What are you doing? Look what does this to my phone. Oh. Ayun, I can rap. Rap, but I do. But it's gonna be so fast.
White rice, boss? Boss? White rice, combined.
I'm gonna see it.
Alas ko home na lang. We're not eating yan. Alas ko na.
Next time you can sing with me. Why did you shoot me? This is the ABC Squid Game. ABC,
Nalaglag mo. Nalaglag sa'yo. Nalaglag.
Hello, what are you doing? Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? At the air? To the audience. Huh? It's talking to the air. No, to the audience. Yeah, that's your dad. No, the audience. Yay, no, we're never going home. We're never going home, yay. Use our umbrella. get it and sip it is hey, what is this carrot doing? Are you
Diba? Masarap.
I was gonna say who was the queen of rats, and then I was gonna say it was you, but you remembered the name. Lovely Peaches. Peaches. So we're king of rats. McDonald's girl. No, I said king. King? There's a king? You said king. Oh. Look behind me.
Kumakain na ako.
Okay, so what are you doing? Daddy, nag-cancel yung rin ko.
Parang fried rice.
That's for fun.
Pinigay ko ako ang steady lang. Kaya mo na.
Fried rice na hindi hinalo kuya. Tinapings lang yung halo. Toppings, tinapings. Bahala ka na po ngayon.
Is there like do this? Like down? Like do a juice? Bro, you need a tissue. Bro, it's not
May
tuna.
bibi kasi.
No, it's not tuna.
Ganda lang pa may bibi.
This way.
Kaya matagal na
It
sila
was. McFlurry, McDonald's.
Eh, parang magkasunod lang eh. Parang magkasunod lang.
I have this in the home. I have that in my home. It's the McFlurry. I have in my home the McFlurry. Show me the McFlurry. We need to go there first. We need the McFlurry. Now. What is in my freezer? What freezer? There is a freezer in your house. Oh, you mean this freezer? Huh?
Meron ka bang lumot?
Oh, it looks like a fish. Ooh. Oh. Mashed potato or machine?
Coco, di ka pa nag-i-eat?
Eating more cotton candy, no?
Coco. Eat lang. Your chicken.
Chicken.
Mm.
What's the hole? Okay, bye guys. Always bye. Okay? Always say bye. Hey, yo, what are you eating? What are you eating? What are you eating? Sand? This is sand dinner? Or mashed potato? Sand. No, it's mashed potato. Yeah. Bye! I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see Kuya Una. I'm gonna see. Hello? 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 To video already.
So, babay na kayo.
Yan.
Babay na kayo sa video.
Mami, tutu.
Thank you for watching sa mga. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Thank you for watching.
Please, okay.